for Hot Rod Power Tour 2024. I am joined by my buddy Alec, and he's going to be riding with me for the duration of Power Tour. We got Wyatt behind us. We got our other buddy Alex in his 68 Plymouth Fury. Wyatt, of course, in the 69 Roadrunner with his girlfriend Maddie. Right now we're up in the Truckee area in Northern California. It is amazing. It's going to be a good trip. Car's running fantastic. I'm excited, man. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nevada. We just stopped and got some gas. All the cars are running really well. Wyatt is getting 17.5 miles a gallon. What did Alex say he was getting?
Something
12?
less than 10.
Or was it 9?
I think it was less than 10.
I think it was 9. I think he said 9, which is of course just not good. Wyatt and I had to pull over right here because Wyatt lost the fuel pump, but we're not doing that this time. He's good to go. So, stay on the road. We're doing fine. Everything's fine. Hola, Pinoches. So we stopped in Carlin at this liquor store / gas station. Wyatt was literally on fumes.
It's a 19-gallon tank and it's like 19.5 gallons.
You were about to be out, dude. So anyway, we're here and we were like looking at the ground like, what is all this weird like reddish brown stuff that's squashed everywhere? Oh, we'll show you. It's these gigantic, apparently they're called Mormon crickets. They're absolutely disgusting. But check this out. They're like all over the freaking wall over here. You gotta see this. This is gross. Hell no. My guy. No freaking way, dude. That is disgusting. Bro. No freaking shot. No shot. That's disgusting. Okay, I'm out of here.
Made it.
Lick it.
Lick it.
No,
Lick the
don't.
salt.
Lick it.
Welcome to Bonneville Salt Flats, brother.
You gonna be doing that that donut that's mandated?
No.
No. Absolutely not.
I'm not doing any more donuts on the Salt Flats.
I can't afford the wire wheel brushes.
I can't afford the wire wheels. Welcome to Bonneville. This is an incredible place. If you ever get the chance to come here, definitely do it. Absolutely amazing. Well, after a very long day, we have made it to our hotel, the Best Western in Colville, Utah. All the cars are doing just fine, running flawlessly. Passengers are passengering flawlessly, and yeah, we're tired. That.
Get back here, you crazy Canadian bastard!
Ew!
The shades. Yeah.
Damn, son.
Damn sons.
So, how was the drive, bro? Oh, dude. The stash is on point. Look at that thing.
Ooh, the chop.
Oh, I should have left the chops a little bit. You like
That's pretty thick.
You like that?
Holy shit.
Yeah, that's saucy.
Don't get him too close, you're gonna catch fire to her fucking face.
We don't want to explode this place. How was the drive, dude?
It was like being inside of a circular saw for 14 hours.
A circular saw. Oh, cool.
Other than that, it was good.
Nice, dude. That's what's up.
Your car is louder.
It is louder.
Nice, but like not in an obnoxious way.
Yeah, on the highway it sounds real good. So,
When he's cruising, it's nice and quiet.
yeah.
I, on the other hand, cruising at like 2,800 RPM, so it's just the whole time. 36. Dang.
Are you really at 3,600 RPM?
At like 80 plus, yeah.
Damn.
It's, you know, it's meant to do it, but it's kind of like nerve-wracking because you're like,
old boy.
this is gonna scream and just kill me.
Yeah.
But
At 80, what? At 80, what were we, like 1,800 RPM?
yeah, you got
Yeah.
a nice double overdrive.
Yeah,
so.
it's freaking sweet.
I should have swapped out for like 323 gears or something.
You've got a 5-speed now.
Yeah, I do.
Anyway, we're tired. We're gonna get some food, and we'll see you on the road tomorrow. Maddie, how are you doing, by the way?
My butt is sweaty.
Your butt is sweaty?
Yeah, it's very sweaty.
Okay.
I'm having a good time.
You're what?
I'm having a good time. It's fun.
It is fun, right?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
I smell it.
We all do. Okay, we'll see you on the road tomorrow. Peace. Because it's like all distorted. like sit super B for a second.
Look at this mad lad. Oh, sideways action. There we go.
I got him.
I had to.
What a madman. For those who have seen my previous video of crossing the United States in our 54-year-old cars, we are back at the Continental Divide here in Wyoming. We have gotten a little little dirty with the cars, but dude, look at that. How freaking cool is that? Absolutely epic. And then Andrew's car ripping in the dirt. It's freaking amazing. Who is the hoodlum that did all this?
You smacked a big old piece of asphalt over there, too.
Smacked a piece of ass.
Crazy Canadian,
I got dirt in my face.
Dude, I have no power. Unreal.
Dude, the headlights. It looks so good.
All right, guys. First big issue with the car on the trip. So I've just lost the clutch. Clutch fluid is coming out of the bell housing. I don't know if it's the hydraulic throwout bearing that popped itself. It is a Hydromax throwout bearing. Like I said, I don't know if it's the throwout bearing itself or if it's like the fitting going to it. But anyway, right now we're in Kimball, Nebraska. We're going to try to limp this thing to Sidney, Nebraska, which I guess is like 20-30 minutes down the road or something like that. Yeah, this is a big issue. So let me know if there's anyone nearby those areas. Appreciate it. Okay, so we got the car here to the Hampton Inn in Sidney, Nebraska. Wyatt was cool enough to hop in. He's like, oh dude, let me drive that thing. I know how to slip a transmission into gear without using the clutch. Do it all the time. So I'm like, go for it. No complaints. So I drove the Roadrunner. He drove this. And then yeah, so I guess we're gonna maybe try to start doing stuff on it tonight. We were kind of thinking that maybe the throwout bearing itself isn't bad, but maybe there's a line or the fittings.
In my brain, if the seal around the throwout bearing itself were blown out,
It wouldn't. There's no way it would hold pressure.
Pressure to open that pressure plate out. No way.
Right.
Once you start pumping it, once you get the air, once you get fluid back into it, it works fine. It just leaks it all out. So I'm gonna see either the hose is blown out or it's a fitting.
Yeah. So.
Which both are gonna suck.
Well, best case scenario, if the line is busted, then we can replace the line somehow. But anyway, I think we're just gonna work on this. Either maybe start on it tonight or, yeah, keep you updated tomorrow. Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Poop Ass. So,
Round 17.
Round 17. So, last night we're driving through Kimball. Well, doing a burnout through Kimball. And then, shortly after, I started losing the clutch. And I'm like, oh boy. The pedal started going down, down, down. Long story short, we've got brake fluid that's just like hissing out of the bell housing. So we're not sure right now if it's the hydraulic throwout bearing that's gone bad, or the line going to it has popped. I really hope not. Or the fitting has come loose. So these guys here at Panhandle Auto here in Sidney, Nebraska, were kind enough to let us use a lift. So super thankful for those guys. That's the man right there. Say hi.
How's it going?
So yeah, we're just about ready to get the trans out, and then we'll take a look at that throwout bearing. It is when it's not pissing.
Clutch fluid. I love those bolts that are just like corner turn with your finger at a time.
Yep.
This is like coyote headers.
Yeah, it was a pain in the ass to get it out. And Wyatt's shop too. So
Best one's a 5.3 when you guys stand in the middle of it and just two top punchers.
I don't see where it would have rubbed a hole through if it did, unless it's right here. Oh.
What?
Oh wait.
Did it come off?
No, I thought I was feeling like shredded line, but I am not. Shred that line. Trey. Oh shit. Trey's gonna be at the.
No, I texted him already. He's like, I was like, you see Bryce's story? He's like, yeah, I can kill some time in St. Louis. They'll find things to do.
There's a bolt on top of the.
Yes,
He's
and we
always
can
10
get to it
hours away.
when we get the trans jack under
Oh,
here.
and, like,
we'll
drop it down.
undo the trans mount, and then we'll set it down. Then we can get to the top bolt.
Sweet.
Oh, we don't even need to take the exhaust out.
No.
Sweet.
Well, you're lucky I answered the phone because I was actually on the phone with him when you called.
Who was the sheriff?
The sheriff in Kimball.
Oh really? Who's he looking for?
Some fucking guys in a
Some maniac was doing burnouts on Main Street.
Ripping donuts down Main Street.
I'm not really looking for the white one. The white one did like a subpar.
It's that
burnout.
orange
It's that
Roadrunner.
orange thing.
I think he pulled second gear.
Son of a bitch almost grabbed third.
Oh, I found the problem. You're missing a drive shaft.
Oh.
Wow. That'll do it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Ain't got no gas in it. Should be.
I got like 6 of them on
You just so happen to have A 3rd gen Dodge Viper input shaft just chilling in your garage? Yep. Okay. I'll take it.
Got her? Yep, you're good. We get over this.
I've only hit my head on that with 1,000 times.
I don't know how to tighten it, but because the a little. Hold on. Let's see if we can push it back.
Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
Oh, I think that's
Neither is this. because my head
Appreciate
keeps
that.
tempting
You
to
gotta
move.
see it.
Eventually it might.
Yeah, we just need to pull it that way.
Stick a screwdriver in here.
Maybe apply a little upward pressure on it.
Let's see if I can. I did. Let's keep a little off there. There we go.
Pretty sure we got everything. Nothing right on top.
Looks good. Yep, there's a transmission.
That's a tranny, all right.
At least
we're not blowing them.
A trans-eye mission.
Transline.
Day's not over.
Day's not over.
Oh God. He said it.
Shut your mouth.
Hey. Hey.
I like this guy. He's all
He
right.
gets it.
He gets it.
All right.
Now just to get it to leave its home. I think I gave it too much. Hold on.
There's some rudder.
Give her some rudder.
Oh, that's okay. It's got one. It's got one female. It's got a male dowel pin sticking out. No, that's an index.
There. I got it. There's
Oh, hello.
Some Bryce.
All right.
moment of
Tom, I
truth.
think we need to
Give it some up.
up.
Uppies. Give it some uppies.
Yeah. Go back.
Too much up.
Go back. Let's see what we got.
Ooh.
Oh.
That could just be fluid leaking onto it,
Well, it's
not from it.
Just drop it down.
yeah. Drop her down.
Watch the exhaust.
I'm watching the input shaft right now.
Oh, yeah. Can you come
Tilt.
backwards a little bit more?
You gotta tilt.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Ready? Yes? With a question mark? Okay, we're good.
Sadness.
Anything loose? Anything...
That is coming out of
The back of this thing. Oh, here. I'll tell you right now. Come off.
Oh.
Still not inside. Does it just come loose?
It's an O-ring.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's good news.
That's really good news.
Avoid it.
Can I have a rag, please? All right.
Do it over the drain.
To the table. Oh, here, the drain.
Dissect.
It's a boy.
Actually, it's got a big hole in it. I think it's a girl.
It might identify.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna leave right now.
Nice.
Thanks.
Big
O-ring
old
up.
split and O-ring.
The O-ring split.
Yeah. Okay. I'll get a pick and get.
Well, I can ask Drew because he said if there's any like part store fixes.
How does that even happen? Is there like a?
Well, because we're on Power Tour, Bryce.
Well, okay. Besides that, is there a nick in this thing somewhere?
Because otherwise, it wouldn't be fun if you just were able to have a smooth drive from one side to the other.
Ooh, there is slight roughage. We need like 200,000 grit sandpaper. Like,
A little silicone should be fine.
let's see that.
That's your foot.
That is your foot.
Just kidding.
How? That doesn't make
So
sense.
random.
Is there like a Tractor Supply or
Just
something?
heat, maybe.
around here?
Okay, what time is it?
Anomaly sometimes?
You got
you
30
have,
guys.
you have Napa till noon.
Do you guys have O-rings here?
We're only increasing the amount of hours we have to drive between today and.
So is it riding on this surface or this one?
So the O-ring came off of this surface. This front one though also.
I can take a look
What does the front one look like?
at the right one that's
I checked it out. It looks
Fun.
sound, but
I don't feel anything goofy going on.
put up on the lift.
It looks pretty good. Looks like a wheel.
They might just be actually
Been a little too far
Junk.
forward as opposed to like it's
That's
sat.
fine.
So I think we're supposed to put this on first.
Yeah.
and then this goes on there. But I think when we pushed it on there, it somehow jammed it forward a little too far. And it,
So it's Wyatt's fault.
yes,
I don't even remember taking that off.
we took it off because we cleaned it.
Oh,
I
okay.
knew it.
It's not Wyatt's fault. It is mine
Definitely
for letting
sabotage.
Wyatt do it.
Just kidding. What a guy. All right.
We all eat them on. Do a burnout.
Yeah.
Does one burnout, slices O-ring.
Now you know how I felt.
So what did we learn? No more burnouts. That's the trip.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Well, he's gonna have a fresh O-ring.
We just
He's got at least 4 or 5 left in there.
Where are we gonna get an O-ring that specific size?
Let's go to the other person. See.
You guys
You don't have any O-rings here?
Oh, I do.
You do? Are they?
Finding them.
Oh.
They're not gonna be cheap either. All right, everybody, spread out. They are not going to be cheap. Did I
To be continued.
ring?
Okay, so Wyatt and Andrew are gonna go off to find a potential O-ring for this thing. We're gonna look around here. It's so loud. But yeah, we're gonna try to look around the shop. He says that there's probably some O-rings around here, not sure where. So, yeah, I guess of all of the worst case scenarios, this is not the worst, because if it was like some sort of like a diaphragm or an actual like the seal in there, then we kind of would have been boned, but it's just an O-ring, so we'll just have to find that and see if we can put it back in the car and be good to go. So, yeah, sucks has happened, but this is part of the whole driving your car across America thing. Things will go wrong. You just have to embrace it when it does. It is frustrating. It is stressful. Trust me. But for the most part, they're just nuts and bolts and parts. You can basically find anything and everything you need to make these things work. So it is what it is. Okay, what'd you guys find?
We found an O-ring. Matches the size, just a rubber O-ring, standard, like Timken O-ring, and shoved it in there, lubed it up with some .3, and slides nice.
That's sweet.
Doesn't seem to stick.
Actually had an extra one too, yeah?
Yep. Yeah, they had a couple,
Awesome.
So we can pull trans out on the side of the road.
yeah.
Oh, yes.
Just in case.
Just in case. No, I know a guy in Bowling Green who probably has a lift. We can talk to. I did that with the
I wonder
wrench.
if that mobile lift guy.
Well, all I'm saying is if it works after this,
We just need to get it.
there's no need to pull that again.
You know what you're not going to be doing though?
Pedals on the floor. Really hard burnouts. Just like
Soft
mine.
ones.
Just soft launches.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, you know,
Park it
clutch
against the
kick,
tree,
side loading, that
Slow
kind of
the
thing.
clutch out and then.
What say you?
You're
No! All right, so
Being back together.
yeah, we're gonna put that back in, and then we gotta fix your car because you're missing a stud.
Oh, we have it. I'm probably just gonna tack it back on.
Okay, it was tacked in.
It was already tacked in. Yeah.
Let me see.
What?
Oh, fail.
But they make more studs, right?
Yeah, but
There's
we have to
where
go
the
to
tack
store
was. Oh, incredible.
Fine.
Yeah.
Well, they're closed at 1, but.
We could probably take a punch and just, sort of pike it
I was gonna say around the.
around the top.
Well, we gotta get. The problem is we gotta get the back of the axle to do that.
Oh, he's got a welder.
Or the welder.
For $350, we can tack it on. What's the total on it now?
$1,482.
Plus tax.
Plus tax. Drop it a little bit. Oh, surprise. Oh, there we go. Something.
Yep. Oh yeah, perfect.
Butter.
That literally went right home.
Push a little more. There you go. Let me get a bolt or two. Right on.
Thanks, Panhandle Auto Group. You really saved the day. Tighten to.
Oh, good dog.
Oh.
So Drew said, great, one last thing to check and make sure is his pedal stop is set. Those bearings are designed for 3/4 of an inch master cylinder with 1.12 inch of stroke with 100th to 200 thousandth air gap, which is what we have. We have 125 thousandths air gap. If his master is stroking more than that, that can be what blew the bearing apart.
Panhandle Auto Group, Sydney, Nebraska. Get yourself some service.
Just don't understand.
Am I going the right way? Yes.
Come on here.
What?
Ooh.
Oh, dead.
The battery came unhooked as well.
All right. Wait.
Have fun taking that off.
Torque spec. Red Loctite spec.
Can't come out if it's red, right?
Can't come out if it's welded together.
Looks like maybe, knock on wood, we're home free. I've been jinxing it all day. So.
Okay. I honestly think we're okay because that O-ring is like literally the exact same thing.
Yeah.
And new and not. Plus we got to adjust pedal travel.
Yes.
I think we have too much and it's hyperextending that O-ring past where it should and it's nicking itself on that outer sleeve.
Fucking Nick.
Damn it, Nick. It's all.
This is yours.
It's all his fault.
It's because I'm here.
Yeah, it's him. Not him.
It's because I'm here.
Alec did it.
It was him. It was the Gilligan-hatted man.
But I'm not wearing my Gilligan hat today. I'm wearing my Mopar hat. But I will wear the Gilligan hat again.
All right. No, it wasn't you.
This time.
It was me.
It's just a tack.
Look at that. Friggin' good as new. Okay, go take it for a test drive, Wyatt.
Want me to do it?
Yeah, go for it. You're already in it.
And he never came back.
And he drove out of our lives forever. Damn, that thing sounds good.
All right, well, obviously, back on the road. That killed a lot of time. Stuff like that happens. Whatever, can't really control it, but yeah, car's running just fine now. Shifts just fine. Adjusted the pedal so that the pedal travel is way shorter, so the pedal is closer to the carpet. And then I think that the pedal travel was too long, so it might have been like overextending the hydraulic throttle bearing and kind of slice the O-ring that way. It's probably also super dry, so it kind of I think it kind of like rolled up on itself. But anyway, got it all fixed. We're good to go. We are now we're still cruising on Highway 80 going across Nebraska. We just left a rest stop. We were there for like an hour, just kind of stretching our legs, taking a breather. And we got about 5.5 hours to go before we get to Oak Grove, Missouri. And then we're gonna stay the night there, get up early in the morning, and then head to St. Louis to pick up Trey. So anyway, this will be it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Later.
Hey, what time is it? Like 2 in the morning ish?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really late. We're really tired. I'm sure you're going to see this later, Bryce. At the Econo Lodge, our savior. And you're in there getting stuff.
All of Missouri that has a hotel availability.
Everyone else was being taken up by the Little League, the softball Little League.
Dude, this freaking softball tournament is the biggest tournament in the world.
Because all the hotels were taken, except for the Econo Lodge. The Econo Lodge saved the day for us.
Hey man, we might have been in the Walmart parking lot over there.
We were just about in the Walmart parking lot, sleeping.
I was almost half expecting us to get here and then be like, oh yeah, we actually don't have anything.
Sorry.
And then we're just like,
Tough break.
done. Absolutely done. We're going into Walmart and we're sleeping.
I would have slept on the hood of your car because
It's very warm right now.
Yeah. The the passenger side vent is open. It's stuck open, so my legs are just getting blasted with cold air. It's freezing.
Good morning.
Wyatt, Trey's right here. Oh, hey, Trey.
What's happening?
What's up, dude? How was the flight?
Not bad.
Sweet.
Pretty easy.
Check out the arch. Sick.
Hey, Andrew, you can probably just slide that over there.
Yeah, that's a lot of metal. That's a lot. That's freaking cool. So yeah, in St. Louis, just picking up Trey, and we're gonna hop back on the road and head the rest of the way to Bowling Green, Kentucky. See you on the road. Welcome